Are you searching for best programmable CNC controller? Hey guys, I am Joni. I have been working on AliExpress products for about 4 years. Hopefully, my experience and guidelines will help you best product choice. Today I am going to reviews top 5 best programmable CNC controller in 2024. Number 1. TEHIGHAUTO TC55V CNC Controller. TC55V series offline controllers are suitable for the following product types: CNC drilling machine system, CNC lathe system, CNC milling machine system, CNC grinding machine system, cutting machine control system, cutting machine control system, welding control system, dispensing machine control system, feeding control system, displacement platform, 1D, 2D and 3D control platform, screw machine control system, lock screw machine control system, spraying production line control system, assembly production line control system, meter control system, and so on. TC55V is an upgrading version of TC55. It is equipped with 3.5-inch color screen, RS485. It is highly reliable, highly accurate, low noise and easy to use. Number 2. Cnc DDCSV4.1 Cnc Controller. The DDCS version 4.1 3/4-axis standalone motion controller for stepper and servo systems is upgraded from DDCS version 3.1 on software and hardware. DDCS version 4.1 brief technical features as following: 18 photoelectric isolated digital inputs, 3 photoelectric isolated digital outputs. The spindle can be configured as analog spindle 010V and also servo spindle 3 to 4 axis motor control. Differential mode and double pulse mode output signal for optional. Maximum interpolation pulse output frequency is 500 kHz/axis. 2 to 4 axis linear interpolation, any 2 axis circular interpolation. ARM9 main control chip, FPGA core algorithm chip, 7 inches TFT screen, size 1024 by 600 pixels. Resolution is 72 pixels/inch, 17 operation keys. The power supply for I/O port is 24 VDC, minimum current is 0.5 A. The power supply for controller system is also 24 VDC, minimum current is 0.5 A. Controller needs both power to work properly. USB flash disk support for G-code file input. Can transfer the files by Ethernet communication between the computer and DDCS version 4.1 controller. No size limited of the G-code file. Compatible with standard G-code. Support popular C80/CAM software such as ArtCam, Mastercam, Proe, JDSoft SurfMill, Aspire, Fusion 360 and so on. Number 3. DDCS version 4.1 Standalone Motion Controller. Newest DDCS version 4.1 is a 3/4 axis offline motion controller upgraded on the basis of DDCS version 3.1, version 2.1, and version 1.1. DDCS version 4.1 continued, inheriting the consistent, simple, and efficient features of the DDCS series, and according to the shortcomings of DDCS version 3.1, the algorithm has been improved, and the programming instruction rotation has been increased, commands, etc., improve the simulation function, etc., support I/O port configuration, etc., and improve the product function of the DDCS CNC controller as a whole, making it more functional. Number 4. MAXGEEK XC609MF CNC Controller. Description: the CNC control system is a latest multifunctional CNC system. It supports milling, boring, tapping, drilling, and automatic feeding. It adopts 32-bit high-performance microprocessor, real-time multitask control technology and hardware interpolation technology, fully linked, 0.001 mm interpolation precision, speed 12 m/min. It is your greater choice to control your CNC drilling machine, CNC milling machine, special machine tool, automation equipment, automatic welding robot, feeding robot, and coordinate robot. Product sell points: quality material. The CNC controller is made of high-quality ABS material, which is durable and has a long service life. Convenient use: the CNC controller is easy to use and can be used in many places. It is very suitable for home, office, school, etc. Easy installation, auto operation, plug and play, no driver required. Just plug in the CNC controller and go. Works with all CNC controllers. Number 5, GPENY New Arrival. DDCSV4.1 Standalone Motion Controller. Product sell points. Support 3 languages. DDCS version 4.1 English, Russian, Chinese language. Convenient and easy to use. This CNC controller is easy to install and disassemble. No need PC, just connect to machine. You can use it directly. Extreme durability. This CNC controller is made of high quality materials, which is durable and has a long service life. It can be used for a long time. The DDCS version 4.13 to 4-axis motion controller for stepper and servo system is updated from DDCS version 3.1 on software and hardware. It combines great advancement with tiny footprint of each days from past 8 years, when we released the first DDCS products DDCSV1. After a very short time you will be familiar with the functions and this manual will help you. The DDCS numerical control system adopts the ARM FPGA design framework. ARM controls the human-computer interface and G-code analysis, and the FPGA provides the underlying algorithms and creates the control pulse. This guarantees reliable control and easy operation. The internal operating system is Linux-based. The panel layout structure of the DDCS version 4.1 is very rational to save space. All operations are controlled by only 17 keys, and the keys are composite keys that can act as function keys or numeric keys. DDCS version 4.1 support comprehensive FANUC G-code set. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and stay with us.